Hey everybody, this is the instructional video for how to install the MLToys dual sprung front suspension system on the Dynacraft UTV. What we have here right now is a stock UTV setup, and we're going to show you how easy this is to do. We're going to do this side of the car. This is all stock right here. We've removed the end cap from here. This just pops off with a straight head screwdriver, and I've backed this nut off. You don't need to pull the pin and back it all the way and remove the tire. You just need a little play. It's going to make this job go a lot easier. Then it's really simple. Get the camera positioned here. You want to use an 11/16 or a 7mm ratchet on the top nut here. Somebody made off with my extension, so I'm using a universal. You can take the tire off if you don't have an extension, or just turn the ratchet a whole lot more times to get it off. You see the suspension dropping down as we go. I do have the car's front bumper up on a jack stand. That makes this a lot easier to work with. And when I get this done, the spring's not going to go flying across the room. That drops out, the whole suspension drops down, and that's all we need to do there. Your new spring kit comes with 2 of these springs. We went through a lot of springs before we came up with the right rate for this. That's it. You see that? Just put the spring in line there. Push the tire back up. Drop that on. Your stock spring. Drop your washer on. Get your nut started. Now make sure that in here your axle is seated into the gray plastic. It's really easy to do. Switch your ratchet direction. And then just start cranking it down. It's going to pull itself up into place. I know this seems like a really simplistic modification. It's going to really help the front suspension, the handling on this car a ton, to have suspension travel in both directions, just like a real car should. And then don't forget to tighten your front wheel back down and put that cap back on so it looks pretty. And then your kids can do what we like to do best here, go fast.